Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Southern style macaroni tuna salad. Such a simple but delicious side dish. If you guys are interested in this recipe, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you can become a part of the foodie family and you don't miss new recipes. So let me go ahead and introduce these ingredients so we can get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need a pound of elbow macaroni. When you cook these, do not use any butter. 3 cans of drained tuna fish. Make sure you guys get the tuna fish that is soaked in water and not oil. 2.5 cups of your favorite mayonnaise. Now, I like to use Hellmann's, but you can use Miracle Whip if you like. It's just going to give your tuna salad a sweeter taste. I'm also going to be using 3 to 4 boiled eggs. And in this bowl, I have 1 small shallot that is chopped finely, 1/4 of a cup of green onions, 1/4 of a cup of bell peppers. Then I used a half a jar of Goya pimento and I chopped that up finely. And that pimento really gives it a nice flavor. So you guys should definitely try that. And for seasonings, I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of celery seed. Or you can use 1/4 of a cup of fresh celery. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of yellow mustard. So first we're going to start off with the 3 boiled eggs, and I'm just going to go ahead with my whisk and go ahead and break that up, or you can use a fork as well. Now once that's broken up, we're going to go ahead and set that aside, and we could start assembling our macaroni tuna salad. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all of my elbow macaroni to a large bowl. As you can see, they're sticking together. Go in with your fingers and separate that. Then we're going to add in that seasoning and mix that all together. I like to add the seasoning in first. That way that seasoning can stick to the noodles and they can be nice and flavorful. So now we're going to go ahead and add in the mayonnaise. Then add in your tuna. And then add a half a cup of relish. I forgot to mention the relish in the beginning. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the eggs. Then just give that a good mix so everything is well combined. If you guys are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to leave me a like and comment below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. So we're just going to keep on mixing everything all together. Once everything is all mixed in there, then we're going to add in the vegetables. But we just want to make sure we get everything all mixed in there before we add in those vegetables. So first, I'm going to add in the tablespoon of mustard, and then I'm going to add in the tablespoon of sugar. And now we can add in the bell peppers and the scallion and the pimento. Now go ahead and mix that all together. Now at this point you can go ahead and adjust it, add a little bit more seasoning and condiments or whatever. But trust me, with this recipe, you're not going to need to adjust anything. Once you're done mixing that all together, go ahead and flatten that with the back of your spatula so it is a nice smooth surface. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add some Old Bay on top for presentation. Now I know people like to add paprika, but we all know paprika tastes like nothing. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of Old Bay on top. You can use paprika if you would like. And we're just going to cover this with some saran wrap and pop this right in the refrigerator, and it is ready to go. So now that I have let this chill in the refrigerator, let me go ahead and get me a piece so I can just show you guys how beautiful that macaroni salad looks. Not to mention, it tastes so delicious. You guys definitely need to try this recipe. It's super simple and perfect for cookouts. If you guys want to try this recipe, make sure you guys check the description box. The full recipe will be posted there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.